Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for collection using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on Add a New Condition button. Select Collection. Add some collection in the blank area. For example, I choose Game Collection. Give it a rule name. Add your desired shipping methods. Under the Select Shipping Methods field, I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. Finally, click on the Save button. Now go to the Checkout page and take a look. Here we can see that all shipping methods are visible because the product we added to the cart is not under the Game collection. Now let's add a product that belongs to the Game collection. Then refresh the Checkout page and take a look. As expected, here we can see now Standard and Express Delivery shipping method are gone now, because we added Wooden Spin, which belongs to the Game collection products. That's it. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!